When I first started using Photoshop, I was bound by a simple rule of resizing. Reducing the size is easy, but enlarging? That's tricky. Most of us believe that while you can easily make an image smaller, making it larger without losing quality was near impossible. But let's dive in a bit deeper into this. When you shrink an image in Photoshop, the software just eliminates some pixels. The result? Often a sharper image. On the flip side, when you aim to magnify it, Photoshop has the hard task of adding new pixels and trying to create detail where none existed before. Historically, the outcome was, let's say, less than impressive. Enter Photoshop CC 2018 and its star feature, Preserve Details 2.0. This wasn't just another upscaling method, it was arguably the most revolutionary leap Photoshop has taken in image enlargement, challenging our beliefs about resizing images. Unlike previous versions that took wild guesses on what new pixels should resemble, Preserve Details 2.0 studies existing pixels. By analyzing the surroundings, it crafts new ones that blend seamlessly, and the result is an enlarged image retaining its details. For everyone, like you and me, wanting to upscale images in Photoshop, Preserve Details 2.0 is nothing short of a game changer. Now, let's get hands-on. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the power of this feature for your art. For demonstration, I will opt for a photo rich in detail, think heartstrings, gleaming eyes, and intricate skin textures. This will spotlight the stark difference Preserve Details 2.0 offers. As of now, this is still a technology preview. To activate, navigate to Preferences under the Edit menu. From there, click on Technology Previews and ensure Enable Preserve Details 2.0 Upscale is checked. Once activated, head to the Image menu and choose Image Size. This opens the Image Size dialog box. Here you will find a Resampling checkbox, so check it. It signifies you are altering the image's actual dimensions. Now it's time to resize the image. Just enter desired dimensions in the width and height fields. With the new image dimension, let's go back to Resample feature. Since the default method is automatic, it won't pick Preserve Details 2.0 even if enabled. So, click on Automatic and find Preserve Details 2.0 from the drop-down and select it. Using Advanced Deep Learning Artificial Intelligence, this feature emphasizes essential details without over-sharpening. The preview in the Image Size dialog box suddenly appears clearer, free from the blurriness typical of other tools. Observe closely, and you will see details like eyes and hair appearing strikingly sharper. It feels as like the image was originally captured at this resolution. I cannot stress enough how much Preserve Details 2.0 has helped me upscale my images in Photoshop. This tool is great for achieving enriched, natural image enlargement. So, I hope you have gained something valuable today. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I will do my best to respond.